Morning.
Jess, good morning to you. That's right. Parents, at least some of them in our state of California, are saying they want freedom of choice. They don't want to have to force their students, whether they're elementary, junior high, high school level, to have to get a COVID-19 vaccine if they want to be in the classroom. And these parents are choosing to do something about it, and they are keeping their kids home from school today. It is a statewide sit out of the classroom. And in addition to that, at a lot of school districts or a lot of different high schools or junior highs, again, or elementaries, parents are gathering in small groups. If you look behind me, I'm just now starting to see people gather with signs. Again, these are people, these are parents, these are moms, these are dads who are saying they just want the freedom to be able to make the choice if they want to keep their kids in school without a vaccine. We talked to one grassroots initiative group, at least the co-founders of it, called Moms on the Ground. They're based in Orange County. Here's what they had to say about protesting today. Listen.
Not anti-vax, just anti-vax mandate for school children. It makes no logical sense for me to vaccinate my child for a virus that he is at very low risk of suffering severe injury or death from.
This goes against what medical experts are saying. According to the experts at Johns Hopkins Children's Center and All Children's Hospital, although COVID-19 in children is sometimes milder than in adults, some kids infected with the coronavirus can get severe lung infections, become very sick, and require hospitalization, suffer complications like multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children, which can cause long-lasting symptoms that affect their health and well-being moving forward. Now, because experts say the vaccine helps prevent or reduce the spread of the virus and can help stop the emergence of new variants, the CDC recommends everyone 12 years and older get vaccinated. And then, a couple of weeks ago on October 1st, Governor Gavin Newsom signed the requirement, making California the first state in the U.S. to mandate vaccinations for eligible children in order to attend in-person classes. The mandate currently affecting students in grades 7 through 12. Students who do not comply will have to take independent studies. There are medical and personal belief exemptions, we are told, but parents, at least the ones out here peacefully protesting today, say they don't care. They feel the decision should just be left up to them as parents. Now, here are a few of the flyers circulating online about today's sit-out, not sending kids to school. Parents protesting here in San Dimas. I showed you that moments ago. Also, Buena Park gathering. And that last statewide flyer asking parents not to call their child in sick or excuse the absence, just keep them home. This is to prevent schools from reaping average daily attendance funds from the state of California. Come back out live. Again, I told you there's one happening here in front of Bonita Unified School District, but there are hundreds of flyers circulating online, different times that these parents are gathering in different districts. This one here in San Dimas happens to have started about 7 minutes ago at 8 o'clock, so I'm going to go over there. We'll talk to some of these parents and see what they have to say. That is the very latest out here, a very wet San Dimas. I'm Megan Tellis. Frank Jess, back to you in Hollywood.
All right, Megan, thanks.